neither. Hey, never signed a contract.
There you go. There you go.
The wife standing right here.
You're excluded. You're excluded from
slowly,
everything.
and I looked at you and I quit. And just looked this way again. That's like politics and ridiculous.
Yep.
But this is a good one right here. That's the difference.
So this one is taken. Dude, I did spooners yesterday.
Yeah.
And I'm telling you, it was at least I don't know, the hardest drill I've done here so far. I've done this one.
Really?
Oh yeah, I've done both these bunch of times. Me and that guy in that 9 over there did it, but I went Jeep and it stretched a little bit. Got some gizmachis on it.
Go around him.
Back up.
This way.
There you go. Oh.
Hit it again. Back up. Come on. Hey. Back. Hey. Hey. Take it wide.
There you go.
There we go.
There you go. Woo! Yeah, get it.
Saw his line.
Nope.
This is a good way to get right here. Look, he left some fluid on that rock right there.
No, that was before, I think. Yeah. Oh, he's dumping something.